Imagine stepping into the future while holding onto a piece of the past. A car that seamlessly blends heritage with innovation, delivering an experience that makes your pulse race before you even touch the accelerator. It's a rare balance, something automakers struggle to perfect, but when they get it right, it's magic. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of the year, a machine that redefines expectations while paying homage to an icon. If you think you know what a sports car should be, get ready to question everything. Welcome to ByteBuzz Innovations, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, automotive tech breakdowns, and everything that fuels your passion for the open road. If you love cars that break barriers, push limits, and redefine performance, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're exploring a car that takes inspiration from the past but is engineered for the future, offering a mix of classic aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. Under the hood, or rather, beneath its sleek design, this modern marvel is powered by a state-of-the-art battery system. With an impressive range of approximately 500 kilometers on a full charge, it proves that electrification doesn't have to come at the cost of performance. Its dimensions strike a perfect balance, compact enough to maintain agility, but wide enough to command presence on the road. A true sports car at heart, it boasts lightweight materials and advanced aerodynamics to maximize speed and efficiency. But it's not just about numbers, it's about the experience. Press the accelerator, and instant torque surges through the wheels, propelling you forward with breathtaking precision. The electric motor delivers upwards of 400 horsepower, translating to a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint in just under 4 seconds. The sensation is immediate, unlike anything a traditional combustion engine can offer. And the top speed? A remarkable 250 kilometers per hour, making it a formidable competitor in the performance EV segment. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Handling is where this machine truly shines. With a near-perfect weight distribution and a low center of gravity, every turn feels razor-sharp, every movement calculated. Advanced adaptive suspension and torque vectoring ensure that whether you're on a winding mountain pass or a high-speed straight, the driving experience remains exhilarating. Then there's the design, timeless yet modern, a seamless blend of past and future. The sleek lines pay homage to its heritage, while subtle aerodynamic enhancements bring it into the modern era. A sculpted front end with signature LED lighting creates an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The rear showcases an integrated light bar and an active spoiler, optimizing both style and performance. Step inside, and you're met with a cockpit designed for the purist. Minimalist yet high-tech, the interior features a fully digital driver display, a seamless infotainment system, and sustainable premium materials that enhance both comfort and luxury. There's an undeniable sense of craftsmanship in every detail, from the perfectly contoured seats to the intuitive layout of controls designed for maximum engagement. Like any car, it has its strengths and weaknesses. The instant acceleration, precise handling, and futuristic design make it a dream for enthusiasts. The interior technology and premium materials elevate the driving experience beyond mere transportation. But there are some trade-offs. While its range is impressive for an electric sports car, long-distance travelers may still find charging times to be a consideration. The price point, while justified by performance and luxury, places it in a competitive space with established sports EVs that offer similar specs. Additionally, some purists may lament the absence of a traditional engine note, missing that raw, mechanical connection that gasoline-powered predecessors provided. So what do the experts and owners think? Reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, with automotive journalists praising its sharp handling and instant power delivery. Critics highlight its ability to merge nostalgia with innovation, capturing the essence of what makes a sports car truly special. Owners rave about the seamless integration of performance and technology, with many emphasizing that once you drive it, there's no going back. However, some have pointed out the limited charging infrastructure in certain areas as a factor to consider before making the switch. A price tag that places it among the premium sports EVs. It's not an impulse buy, but does it justify its cost? Given its heritage, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance, the value proposition is strong. When compared to other electric sports cars in its class, it holds its own with a unique blend of performance and design that few competitors can match. For those looking for an emotional connection to their vehicle, something that excites every time they get behind the wheel, this machine delivers in full. Now we want to hear from you. What feature of this car do you think stands out the most? Would you consider making the switch to an electric sports car, or do you still prefer the roar of a combustion engine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from fellow car enthusiasts. That wraps up our deep dive into this incredible machine. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations for more in-depth car reviews and industry insights. Check out our other videos for more exciting automotive content, and as always, keep your passion for cars alive. See you in the next one.